Hey there everyone, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. I'm at a very special house today. So let me show you something. Squirrel there. Squirrel right there. Squirrel's getting in here. So I'm going to take these squirrels down, but then I'm going to show you what makes this house very special. A moment ago, I showed you some squirrels way up there. I'm going to go show you something different now. Now you might be confused because I'm taking my ladder down. And that's that's very understandable that you're confused that I'm taking my ladder down, because I'm not going to show you anything here. We're going to go for a walk. Oh, you got a nice big, that's a fat raccoon. So I told you this house was special. Squirrels in the front and raccoons in the back. So this is a 2-for-1. We're going to get this customer taken care of. We're going to get the damage up here fixed up. We're going to reset the traps and give it a couple more days just to make sure we got all the troublemakers out of here. So when you got a party house, you get a lot of party animals. Thank you.